We're at 458 Beacon Street and we're going to take a look at a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. Here's Beacon Street, it's a one-way. So we're between Hereford and Mass Ave. And this is the unit we're going to see. So it's a duplex, parlor level and garden level. So as you walk in, both doors are locked. And there's also a code to get into the second door. It's the lobby. Alright. So as you walk in, this is the front door to the apartment. We're on the upper level right now. On the upper level you have the living room, dining room, and 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. So the living room is huge. You have beautiful detail. Decorative fireplace, beautiful chandelier. And it is a front-facing apartment. It's on the sunny side, so you get really good natural light, but it's also a little shady with the tree here. Really pretty. And again, it's massive. It's one of the largest living rooms you can find. This is the staircase that takes you to the lower level. And then this way is the dining area. Another decorative fireplace. And the kitchen. Also a good sized kitchen, lots of counter space, cabinet space. There's a dishwasher. And all the way to the back is the bedroom. And you have great water views there. So I guess you can call it the master. You have ensuite bath. It's all in good shape, clean. Here's the bathtub with a shower. This looks like French doors, but they're actually mirrors. So when you close the door, you can't see through it. Another decorative fireplace. This is a king-size bed. It's a huge, huge bedroom also. And ceiling fans here as well. And the views are great. You can see the river from here. And this has a really large walk-in closet as well. You have storage all the way up to the ceiling. There are overhead cabinets here all the way. And now we'll take a look at the lower level. Another decorative fireplace, so 4th one. This is also front facing. And this is that door that we saw from the outside. So it goes out on Beacon Street. And this space, again, it's huge. It's the size of a studio, really, like a separate apartment almost. Also hardwood floors. Another large closet. Excellent storage here. Here's the second bathroom. It's also a tub and a shower. With some storage back here. And another closet. And this door takes you to the common hallway, so it's another entrance into the units, and this is shared laundry. It's just outside the unit. It's very convenient because it doesn't take space, doesn't take up space in the apartment, but it's right outside, so it's super easy. And this takes you to the back alley. I won't open it, but here, that's where the parking is. This is the roof deck of 458 Beacon Street. So as you walk up the stairs, it's a shared common hallway, back staircase. It takes you straight up to the rooftop. So as you walk up, to the left is the shared area that Unit 1 can use. And the views are amazing. You can see Charles River, that's Mass Ave Bridge. And the other half of the deck is private to a different unit. But you still have great views from the shared roof deck.